Welcome to the future of innovation. In this video, we unveil 15 groundbreaking inventions that are transforming how we live, travel, and explore the world. TopMate ES23, the perfect compact electric trike for short commutes. The TopMate ES23 is a compact, foldable electric trike designed for short commutes. Weighing just 34.5 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to carry, yet it can support up to 22.5 pounds of cargo, making it convenient to store and transport in small spaces. Equipped with 10-inch pneumatic tires and an upgraded rear axle, the S23 offers a smoother ride and more legroom. Its 270 watt-hour lithium battery provides a range of 15.5 to 18.6 miles and can be fully charged in just 3 to 4 hours. The trike features 3 adjustable speed settings, 3, 7, and 15 miles per hour, and includes a reverse function for enhanced maneuverability. For added convenience and security, it comes with an LED display and key switch. The TopMate ES23 is an ideal solution for those looking for a compact and efficient way to get around the city. Alaka'i Skai, the future of sustainable air mobility. The Alaka'i Skai is a groundbreaking hydrogen-powered air mobility vehicle. It is designed to transform sustainable urban transportation. With its sleek, futuristic look, the Skai is a vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) aircraft that operates using hydrogen fuel cells to power its electric rotors. This means it offers zero-emission flight, making it an eco-friendly choice for the future. This innovative vehicle can carry up to 5 passengers and travel up to 400 miles on a single tank of hydrogen. It's perfect for both urban and regional commutes, providing a cleaner alternative to traditional modes of air and ground transport. The Skai's quiet operation, combined with its vertical takeoff capabilities, is aimed at reducing traffic congestion and lowering carbon footprints. It's a step forward in creating a more sustainable and efficient transportation system. For those looking to embrace the future of air mobility, the Alaka'i Skai is leading the way. Cyber Lander Reveal. The Cyber Lander Reveal is a futuristic camper designed to turn your Tesla Cybertruck into a mobile home. It unfolds to create a comfortable living space, complete with a kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, and office. All of this fits perfectly into the truck bed without any issues. Whether you're out in the wilderness or in the heart of the city, the Cyber Lander brings the comforts of home with you. It's the ultimate adventure vehicle for Cybertruck owners, offering convenience and versatility in one package. The price for the Cyber Lander Reveal is $49,999. However, if you pre-order now, you can get a discount on that price. Using the Cyber Lander can also save you money on expenses like fuel, maintenance, and hotel stays. For those passionate about travel and discovering new places, the Cyber Lander Reveal is an ideal choice. Can-Am Spyder, the unique 3-wheel motorcycle. The Can-Am Spyder is a one-of-a-kind 3-wheel motorcycle designed by Bombardier Recreational Products, BRP. Unlike traditional motorcycles, it features a unique design with 2 wheels in the front and 1 in the rear. This configuration offers enhanced stability and a different riding experience. With its modern design and powerful engine options, the Spyder combines both performance and comfort. Advanced technology ensures that riders can enjoy both safety and style on the road. Equipped with semi-automatic transmission, dynamic power steering, and a vehicle stability system, the Can-Am Spyder provides smooth handling and easy control. Whether you're going on long tours or quick commutes, it's an ideal choice for riders who want the thrill of a motorcycle with the added benefits of stability and safety. For anyone looking to experience a new level of freedom on the road, the Can-Am Spyder is the perfect ride. Blasi R30, the ultimate game-changer in portable mobility. The Blasi R30 is a true game-changer in portable mobility. This scooter features an innovative automatic folding design that transforms it into a compact, suitcase-sized package with the press of a button. Unfolding it is just as easy, getting it ready to ride in seconds. Its high ground clearance, low center of gravity, and oversized wheels provide a stable and smooth ride, even on rough terrain. The powerful motor allows the R30 to handle inclines of up to 11 degrees with ease. Weighing only 24.6 kilograms, the Blasi R30 is lightweight yet packed with reliable performance, thanks to its lithium battery. It's perfect for navigating crowded urban areas or tackling unpaved roads. Combining classic Italian design with practicality, the R30 offers a top speed of 6 km per hour and a range of 16 kilometers. It's the ideal solution for those seeking portability, comfort, and style in their daily commute. ESCEND Blades Alpha. The future of electric inline skates. The ESCEND Blades Alpha is changing the way we think about personal mobility. These are the first electric inline skates to hit the market, combining the thrill of traditional skating with the power of electric assistance. Riders can reach speeds of up to 15.5 miles per hour and travel around 10 miles on a single charge. These skates offer 3 riding modes, with each one featuring a different top speed, starting at 6 miles per hour. There's even a reverse mode, perfect for smooth maneuvering and performing tricks. Each skate is powered by a 400-watt hub motor, delivering a total of 800 watts. This gives riders the power to climb inclines up to 20 degrees with ease. For extra convenience, the ESCEND Blades Alpha comes with a wireless remote control. The OLED display on the remote shows real-time updates on your speed, distance traveled, and battery life. The ESCEND Blades Alpha is redefining the inline skating experience, offering a thrilling and efficient way to ride. Gyroor G11. A powerful and smart electric scooter for urban rides. The Gyroor G11 is an electric scooter designed to make your rides smoother and more enjoyable. Packed with impressive features, this scooter offers the perfect combination of power, technology, and convenience. Powered by a strong 500W motor, the G11 delivers smooth acceleration. It can reach a top speed of 18 miles per hour, making it an excellent choice for both city commuting and leisurely rides. One of the standout features of the Gyroor G11 is its integration with a dedicated mobile app. This app lets you track performance metrics, adjust settings, and activate extra features with ease. It's a great way to customize your ride and get the most out of your scooter. In addition, the Gyroor G11 is designed for comfort and ease. Whether you're navigating busy streets or enjoying a ride through the park, this scooter will make your experience fun and efficient. If you're looking for a scooter that blends technology with power, the Gyroor G11 is the perfect choice. COSWHEEL Ebike GT20. The 2023 COSWHEEL Ebike GT20 is a motorcycle-inspired electric bike that packs serious power. It comes equipped with a high-speed brushless motor, capable of peaking at 500 watts and delivering a continuous output of 1000 watts. This power allows the GT20 to handle inclines and rough terrain effortlessly, thanks to the impressive 80 Nm of torque. You have the option to choose between pedal assist, which offers 5 levels, or use the throttle-only mode to ride at speeds of up to 28 miles per hour. This flexibility makes it great for different riding styles, whether you prefer to pedal or simply cruise. Powering this impressive e-bike is a 48 volts 25 Ah lithium battery. In pedal assist mode, you can travel as far as 87 miles on a single charge. That makes the GT20 perfect for extended adventures, especially off-road. The front suspension fork and full rear suspension make sure the bike can handle rough trails. These features absorb bumps, keeping your ride smooth and comfortable. Plus, the 20x4-inch wide knobby tires provide excellent grip on loose or uneven surfaces, giving you the confidence to tackle tough terrain. For safety, the GT20 comes with hydraulic disc brakes, ensuring strong stopping power in all conditions, whether it's wet, muddy, or dry. The COSWHEEL e-bike GT20 is available for $1,699, offering a solid combination of power, durability, and comfort for any adventure you plan to take. Jet Capsule SS, Supersport, luxury and performance on the water. The Jet Capsule SS, Supersport, is a futuristic, compact watercraft that blends luxury with high performance. Powered by a supercharged 640 horsepower petrol engine, this vessel can reach a top speed of 38 knots. It accelerates from 0 to 32 knots in just 12 seconds, offering an exhilarating ride. The design of the jet Capsule SS focuses on modern aesthetics and functionality. Its spacious interior can be customized to meet different needs, whether for leisure or professional use. With its cutting-edge technology and stylish design, the jet Capsule SS represents a new era of personal watercraft. It offers a thrilling, luxurious experience on the water, setting a new standard for performance and elegance. For those seeking a unique and high-performance water adventure, the jet Capsule SS is truly remarkable. SeaKite. Revolutionizing maritime travel with wind power. The SeaKite is a groundbreaking catamaran designed to change the future of maritime travel. This innovative vessel uses a unique automated kite traction system to harness the power of the wind, offering an eco-friendly alternative to traditional fuel-powered ships. The kite system on the SeaKite features wings ranging from 50 to 200 square meters. This provides powerful propulsion, helping to reduce fuel consumption and lower emissions, making it a sustainable solution for the maritime industry. Not only is it environmentally friendly, but the SeaKite also features an automated system that ensures smooth and efficient operation. This enhances both the performance and safety of the vessel while out at sea. Additionally, the SeaKite serves as a floating laboratory. It acts as a platform for research and development, helping to advance sustainable maritime technologies. With its cutting-edge design, the SeaKite is paving the way for a greener future on the water. THAR.e. The Mahindra THAR.e, unveiled in August 2023, marks a significant step forward in electric mobility. Built on Mahindra's advanced INGLO electric platform, this SUV captures the adventurous spirit of the classic THAR while adopting sustainable innovations. THAR.e features a high-performance, all-wheel drive electric powertrain, delivering impressive capability for both urban streets and rugged off-road terrains. Sustainability is at the heart of this design, with the vehicle constructed from 50% recycled PET and recyclable plastics, reducing its environmental footprint. The exterior of THAR.e is bold and modern, with sharp geometric lines and nearly vertical windows that give it a robust, spacious feel. This design not only stands out but also maintains the strong identity THAR is known for in the electric SUV market. Inside, the focus is on simplicity and functionality. The minimalist interior is practical, featuring durable grab handles and a unique central pivoting display, ensuring ease of use in both city commutes and outdoor adventures. THAR.e represents a new era of electric SUVs, where sustainability, adaptability, and adventure come together in one distinct package. SeaKite City 4, the ultimate urban transportation solution. The SeaKite City 4 is a powerful, efficient electric vehicle designed for urban transportation. Powered by a 60-volt battery, it offers an impressive range of over 60 kilometers on a single charge. Recharging is easy, taking just 5 hours with a standard 110-volt outlet. This versatile vehicle can tow up to 1,500 pounds, making it perfect for light hauling. Safety is a top priority, with 4-disc hydraulic brakes and an electromagnetic parking brake ensuring reliable stopping power. Comfort is key with seating for 4, a Bluetooth stereo, and a coilover suspension system for a smooth ride. LED lighting enhances visibility, while its compact design makes it ideal for navigating tight city streets. Weighing just 800 pounds, the City 4 is a practical and efficient solution for anyone looking to move through the city with ease and style. Toyo Tires Ferret, the ultimate off-road beast. The Toyo Tires Ferret showcases the brand's dedication to innovation and performance. This incredible vehicle is a reimagined version of the 1959 British Ferret armored scout car. It's been equipped with modern technology, making it capable of tackling any terrain with ease. Under the hood, the Ferret features a powerful LSV8 engine, delivering impressive performance. Coupled with a custom-built suspension system and 6 massive Toyo open country tires, this vehicle is built to conquer the toughest environments. The middle wheels of the Ferret are hydraulically driven, allowing for precise maneuvering and easy obstacle avoidance, giving it an edge in off-road situations. With its one-of-a-kind design and unmatched capabilities, the Toyo Tires Ferret has quickly become a sensation among off-road enthusiasts. It stands as a true symbol of Toyo Tires' commitment to pushing the limits of automotive engineering. Stellar Systems Fearless. The Stellar Systems Fearless MRSS is a state-of-the-art naval ship created for the Royal Navy. Measuring 170 meters in length and weighing 15,500 tons, it can reach speeds over 30 knots and travel up to 7,000 nautical miles at 18 knots. This versatile ship is designed for a wide range of missions. It features 800 lane meters for vehicles, a stern ramp for easy access, and a side launch system for drones. Armed with medium-caliber guns and missile silos, it's well-equipped for various combat situations. Plus, its aviation capabilities are impressive, with room for 2 Merlin helicopters or a combination of helicopters and UAVs. Whether it's dealing with mine warfare or carrying out humanitarian missions, the Fearless MRSS is built to be resilient and adaptable in any challenging environment. ACE Vtol Trinity: The future of air travel. The ACE Vtol Trinity is set to transform the way we travel, both for personal and commercial use. This electric vertical takeoff (VTO) aircraft is designed to handle multiple tasks, including transporting passengers and cargo, providing emergency medical services, and performing aerial inspections. It's built for versatility and high performance with a strong airframe, a powerful engine, and an advanced flight management system. Inside, the cabin is spacious and comfortable, featuring ergonomic seats, climate control, and augmented reality entertainment. The Trinity also stands out as the first electric aircraft designed to be fully wheelchair accessible, making air travel more inclusive. Production is planned to start in 2026, offering a glimpse into the future of sustainable, convenient, and accessible air travel. Experience the next generation of flying with the ACE Vtol Trinity.